SOLIDWORKS Design 2026 brings you enhancements across the portfolio. In this video, we'll focus on the new functionality coming to SOLIDWORKS for collaboration. Aura is your AI companion. Quickly summarize community posts, wikis, questions, and ideas to capture key takeaways at a glance. Inside SOLIDWORKS Design, Aura enables you to start natural language conversations that pull context from posts, wikis, ideas, and even what's new documentation. With SOLIDWORKS Design 2026, you can save configurations as a new individual physical product. This allows for greater flexibility in how you structure your designs and provides full control over managing the associated references when saved. The SOLIDWORKS community is the best in the industry, and the user forums have always been a rich source of information and help. Now you can access the forums directly from the SOLIDWORKS Design task pane, making it easier than ever to access the knowledge of the user community. SOLIDWORKS Design makes it easy to seamlessly share your designs right from the file menu. Choose from an extensive list of standard formats such as PDF, STEP, STL, and IGES, and ensure security by controlling who can access your shared designs. Usernames, approval dates, and maturity status are all important parts of the change process. With SOLIDWORKS Design, drawing stamping now happens automatically as each change action task is completed, providing a final drawing that's complete and accurate. SOLIDWORKS Design now provides support for saving Weldment cut lists to the 3D Experience platform. As you save your design, simply indicate that you want the cut list items published. Weldments that contain structural, sheet metal, and plates are also supported. Once saved, the cut list items are reflected in the task pane and accessible on the 3D Experience platform, allowing you to build a more accurate engineering bill of material. Design tables have always been a powerful way to create multiple configurations, and linking to an external design table provides convenient access to automating those configurations outside of SOLIDWORKS. Now, when you save your components to the 3D Experience platform, the external design table relationship is recognized. In addition to being stored with the part, you have full visibility to the reference relationships between the two items, ensuring complete design management. Purchase components are a key part of any design. These components, such as this gasket seal, are bought in bulk, assigned a part number, and then can be deformed into their installed state. In SOLIDWORKS Design, you can now identify a component as deformable. To ensure proper traceability, you can associate the installed state component with the purchase component by searching for the part number and selecting from a filtered list of deformable components matching your search. Once associated, the two share a part number, ensuring full traceability when searched. SOLIDWORKS Design now provides the ability for file locations that reference bookmarks to automatically update, ensuring you always have access to the latest content. "3D Swim" communities are a powerful tool for collaborating with colleagues. Now you can extend that collaboration to include projects, issues, bookmarks, and more, making it easier than ever to have all of your project information easily accessible in one place. Ensuring the right people in your organisation review and approve a document is an important part of a release process. Now you can automate the start of a route to ensure the right people get notified for review. Once the approvals are complete, the document is automatically transitioned to release. Bookmarks are a unique way of organising your content without duplicating it in multiple locations. Now it's easier than ever to see all of the bookmarks that are referencing a design and choose which bookmark to open, making accessing your content easy and efficient. Chat is the modern way that we communicate. It's quick, convenient, and timely. Now you can create custom groups to clearly organise your chats, making them easier to access. In SOLIDWORKS Design 2026, you can create iterations and provide comments describing what changed. Simply indicate that you want to create a new iteration during the save of your design and add a comment to provide additional clarity to the iteration. These iterations can be accessed at any time, providing you a convenient way to get back to an earlier state of your design. Smart components have long been a powerful way to standardize and automate the creation of features associated with a part. In SOLIDWORKS Design 2026, the components can be fully stored on the 3D Experience platform, making them conveniently accessible to your whole team. Associated features are added, saving you time and ensuring consistent accuracy every time the component is used. Together with our TriMech Group partners, we're showcasing the latest and greatest enhancements across the SOLIDWORKS 2026 portfolio on our dedicated What's New webpage. There you can dive deep into our blogs and videos that outline everything you need to know about the new release. And you'll also be able to get in touch with our experienced engineers for a tailored look at how SOLIDWORKS Design 2026 could boost your business.